Hello everyone, welcome back to the Traffic Table channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and great design which is going to be look professionally in less than 1 minute, and at the same time I'm going to show you how to make a mockup, and all of that will be totally for free. So if you don't know Placeit yet, Placeit is a very nice online platform, so you can design logos, you can design any kind of album covers, birthday design, flyers, YouTube intros, videos, Instagram posters, everything you can imagine you can design on Placeit. So Placeit is not for free, it's paid version, and it's actually almost $15 per month, or you can pay like almost $80 or $90 per year. But also free Placeit have a lot of freebies which we are gonna use in these videos. So let's get started. First of all, if you want to do design like that or mockup like that, so stay me in this video till the end and let's get started. So what I'm gonna do at the beginning is going on design, of course, and go for freebies. Okay, and after we press freebies, we're gonna open another window where we can choose like t-shirt design or mockups, or whatever you want. So let's see. So here you can go for design and then freebies. So everything here is for free, and we're gonna browse here inside the design templates. Great. And then we're gonna press t-shirt design, and once you press t-shirt design, it's gonna open another page which we can choose between a lot of ready-made templates. Guys, it's ready-made totally. All of that, as you can see, is for free, and they have a lot of stuff. So more than 56 pages. If you are the first time to see these tutorials, I have another 2 tutorials. You can go back and see them. It's very nice. This is part 3 of the videos of Placeit tutorials, so make sure you watch the other videos too, because they are very important too, and I did say a lot of tricks and tips in that video. So in the third video I'm gonna design maybe something on the first one, on this design. So you're gonna open this in a new tab. Great. And here we go. As you can see, you can change the color from here of the text, and you can change the color also of the graphics from here. So here is the text, and here is the text. You can change the font from here. You can change as well the colors from here. Cool. And here you can change the background. Maybe you can make it like black background. It's good for you. You can also change the graphic. You have a lot of graphics idea. You can upload your image if you want. You can download any image from the internet and upload it here, or you can use the library. They offer a lot of different nice images, and all of them for free. So maybe we can go for design for vegans. So what I want to say here, like maybe vegan and proud. Okay, so we're gonna write vegan and proud. Here we go. And as you can see, the text is written here, and also and proud is written here, but it's not seen because of the graphics. So maybe we can also go and change the graphic. We can write vegan stuff. So let's see the library which inside Placeit, which is already have a lot of different and professional designs. Maybe we can choose one of them. As you can see, a lot of vegan stuff here, so maybe we can choose something like that. And also I'm gonna show you how to make a mockup later, also all of them for free, guys, so keep and stay till the end. So as we can see, we can always go and put this design everywhere we want, and we can just adjust it and make it bigger, make it small, put it in the middle. And also Placeit helped me to put in the middle. No worries, you can go here and change the color if you want. Maybe we can change it to something like green, and here also we can change as well, or maybe white, whatever you want. So maybe we can make it like, let's see, oh sorry, yes, let's make it white. Okay, and let's make this also white, and make the graphic green, so it's gonna make a little bit the graphic stunning. That's cool. And also you can go and change the font. You can change whatever you want. It's very easy, guys. So what you're gonna do here is to change the graphic to maybe green. That's cool. And maybe the main color, maybe we can make it white. So as we can see, we just finished our design in less than 1 minute. Sometime, guys, to be honest, the fonts, no, it's not for free. So sometimes they will say like, if you see this font is for free, totally for free, but if they have these premium features, so you have to pay for Placeit. So keep in mind, guys, that maybe sometimes the font is not for free, but they have a lot of different fonts you can choose, and from here you can go for more fonts and you can choose a lot of other fonts, and that's totally amazing. As we can see, we made already our design. What you're gonna do here is go to download, and after that they will say it's like totally commercially it's for free, and then you can make from here download. And what I'm gonna show you here also, guys, that you can adjust your pixel. So you can adjust your pixel. Normally it's 4000 times 4800, which is very high quality, but if you want to adjust the pixel, which a lot of people don't know about this in Placeit, you can go and view, go for view, and after that you will go here, you will find this page, and then go on this arrow, the down arrow, and then choose crop and resize. Cool. And when you choose crop and resize, you're gonna make you like crop and resize the image as much as you want. So normally in print on demand we are going to make it 4500 times 5400 pixel, but if you want to do another cropping things that you like dimensions, you can do whatever you want. So, and here we go. Now you can crop the image as much as you want. You can go here for custom and make it like 4500 times 5400. Great. And make download, and then you're gonna download this image as much as you want from the pixel, and just press download, and that's it. Okay, it's a small tip, guys, which a lot of people don't know it about Placeit. You don't have to go to another application to change the dimension. You can mainly make it from the free image cropper on Placeit itself. Cool. Let's go back to our design, and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna download it like with a pixel you want, and let's make the mockup. So to make the mockup, it's very easy. What you're gonna do here is go for Placeit, the main page. Where is the main page? For example, yeah, here. And what we're gonna make here is to go for mockup here on the left side, in the top left side, which right in mockup, and then we go for freebies if you want it for free. If you have subscription, you can use any mockup, but if you don't have, there are plenty of mockups which are really for free. So you will go here mockup, and then for freebies, and after you press freebies, you're gonna see a lot of freebies idea for mockups. So let's see. Yeah, here we go. And as you can see, a lot of freebies mockup. As you can see, something for masks, something for t-shirts, also mockups with model, which is totally for free, like a lot of different models, as you can see. And there are more than 217 pages, guys, and all of them are for free. We can't just choose something like that, which is surrounded by planets, since we're speaking about vegan. So let's open that in the new tab, and let's see this is how can we make the mockup. And as we downloaded the image already, so we can change the background of the t-shirt, and also we can change the graphic itself. So let's change the background first as black. Yeah, and I forgot to mention, guys, that if you can also download the image as transparent, but because I already make the black t-shirt, so I already downloaded as a black thing. But if you want to download the image as transparent, you would just go here for the background. I want to show you this, guys, because it's very important, and just make it like transparent, and you can just download as transparent. It's totally also free on this application freebies. It's very easy and very nice, as you can see. Okay, let's go back for the logo, for the mockup, and then we can go and insert our image, which already have been downloaded. So upload it from device, or you can make it, or you can take it also from the download area. But since I already downloaded, so I will take it from the download area here. So yeah, and let's see, it takes a little bit time, and here we go. We can also adjust it. As you can see, this is the border of the t-shirt, like the obvious part. So I think it's better to maybe crop it, so this part will be shown like that. So if you press crop, let's see, because you always want the text to be obvious for the customers. And as you can see here, yeah, it take a little bit time, but it's really worth it, guys. It's amazing. And as you can see, the mockup is already on the t-shirt. It's gonna be shown right now. And here we go, finally. Yes, and as you can see, the t-shirt is very nice and it's very awesome. You can also adjust it from the crop. Like maybe you can resize it, you can replace it, you can remove it, you can upload your logo, you can add some text, you can add also some graphics, and you can also change the color of the background of the t-shirt, so you can do whatever you want. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and please subscribe to my channel if you like the content, and hit the like button and comment down below if you have any question. I will answer all your questions, guys. Thank you so much, and hope I see you in the next video. Bye bye, have a nice day.